Twitter after Musk. How to use the site for marketing and news. Twitter was already great before Elon Musk took over the company's account, but now that he's brought his unique brand of personality to the microblogging service, you may be wondering how to use it best. He's used his position to answer customer questions and make some big announcements on Twitter, so it's clear that he knows how to put this valuable social network to use. In fact, he may have revolutionized Twitter's usage forever. Here's how you can learn from Musk and use Twitter for your own marketing or news purposes in the wake of these exciting changes. What are tweets? Tweets are short messages sent out on Twitter, typically under 140 characters. Tweets are public, meaning they can be seen by anyone who has an account. Who should be on Twitter? Everyone should be on Twitter. The site is a place where business professionals, celebrities, politicians, journalists, and more all come together. As a business professional, it's important that you keep up with what's happening in your industry so that you know when to react or if there are any new ideas that could help your company grow. Why are people on Twitter? People use Twitter for a variety of reasons, but one of the most popular is to keep up with news. People love being able to see what is happening in their area without having to watch TV or check online. What should your profile look like? Many people are still wondering what Elon Musk's takeover of Twitter means for them. As a marketing professional, it's imperative that you know how to use this site in order to maintain a successful social media presence. It may also be beneficial that you have a Twitter account if your company is related or even tangentially related to technology. Here are some tips on how you can get started with Twitter after Elon Musk took over. What should you tweet about? The first thing you should post on Twitter is a link to your website. This is where people will go if they want to learn more about you, find out what your company does, or buy your products. You can also include a call to action in this tweet that asks followers to sign up for updates or follow you on other social media sites like Facebook or Instagram. Tools to make your life easier. Buffer is a great tool that I use every day. It allows you to save tweets, schedule them in advance, and then post them when you're ready. It's perfect for those of us who don't want to spend hours every day scrolling through Twitter feeds. Another useful tool is Hootsuite, which allows you to monitor your social media accounts on multiple devices.